Welcome to Renovation Updates Week 3. We have quite a lot of updates. First things first, I got some outside lights. Hold on. It's not very effective in the day, is it? But you can sort of see. We're still waiting on a skip, so we've got a lot of stuff ready to go. So come in. So let's have a look in. Where should we go? Let's go in here first. Oh, no more hole in the wall. So there is a nationwide shortage of plaster at the moment. So we are trying everything we can to track some plaster down because I need 6 bags. And we need to have the first fix of electrics for the kitchen, so that's going to happen soon. There's not a whole lot that's happened over here really. We're just waiting for the French doors to come in. I'm also in the middle of getting all of the doors fully painted. My doorknobs arrived. Doorknobs are expensive, I found that out. I've taken all of the panels off the doors now and I'm in the middle of painting them all, so hopefully they will be done later this week. I can't remember whether I showed the colour on the walls. This is the colour that it's going to be. It needs another coat, but it's this sort of like very pale yellow linen-y colour. And these were my Nana's bedside tables, and I have painted them, and I'm going to add some handles on today to keep some continuity, and have a bit of my Nana with me because I miss her very much. We bought some curtain poles. Curtain poles have been the bane of my life this week. Bay windows are really hard to get curtain poles for, especially because this is a half bay and it's long and then has like a very short nubbin of a side window. It was really hard to find. Every curtain pole had a bend in the wrong place. It just wasn't worth it. So I've got some straight curtain poles, so hopefully I'll put them up later this week. My bedroom is totally finished now, ready for the carpet man. So these are my doorknobs that arrived, antique brass. They're really hard to fit. I had a bit of a meltdown whilst trying to fit doorknobs because I've never done it before and it didn't go well. So that's a to-do thing today. I've got a black curtain pole to tie in with the black fireplace. I put the roll plugs in and they fell out. So I'm going to try them again in a minute and hope that we can get the curtains up, and then the carpet is being fitted either today or tomorrow. Then we can get the bed in and then we'll be able to stay over, and I'm very excited about that because it's going to save a lot of time going back and forth and we can do more in the evenings, so that's exciting. Bathroom, I don't know how much they've seen of the bathroom, so I think this is new, isn't it? This is going to be where the shower goes, so the shower is 1,500, so it's exactly that. I'm going to have one really big shower tray. I went and ordered the whole bathroom suite last week, so that will be arriving. I am doing the tiling myself, so that's going to be my challenge, which is going to be interesting. Take the rest of the tiles off all of these walls. That's a big job to be done later this week. They're going to block this up in the next couple of days, I think. Let's go into the other bedroom. Can you fit through there? Yeah, you can. I'm joking. The second bedroom is very much a non-priority at the moment, but I wallpapered this, so everything is ready to paint, but there's no point doing stuff in here at the moment whilst they're doing this wall. Through here, bike room. So first of all, it's way bigger now that the wardrobe is gone. I need to sand this down, but my dad refixed this because I painted this because it was a horrible brown colour before. So I repainted this, and then I need to sand that down, which I will do later today, and paint it. And then I'm going to put storage boxes, and I'm going to have all of my cycling kit in here. It's just going to be a full dedicated bike room. That's really, I think that's everything, isn't it? They filled in a bunch of these holes. So that is where we're at the moment. So the main jobs this week are getting the wall redone between the bathroom and the guest bedroom and getting the windows in. I'm finding some plaster because we are really going to grind to a halt if we can't find any plaster. So I might be taking a trip to Manchester. I found someone on Gumtree that is selling some plaster, so I might take a trip to Manchester later today. Loads to do. We're still furloughed, so we're just trying to make the most of being here all day every day. I am probably going to be going back to work sooner than I expected, but that's okay. I'm just trying to maximise on the time that I've got off at the moment, and that's really where we're at. So another week of updates. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next week for another update.